Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a brand kit in Canva. So brand kits are really useful, especially if you have your own business and you're creating a lot of content for that business. It will just help to have all your chosen colors and fonts readily available. It will speed up the process when you're creating new content. So this is how you do it. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to look over onto the left-hand side where it says brand. So I'm going to click onto that, and this is where you can make your own brand kit. So on the left-hand side, I can click on logos. So the first thing you'll want to do is upload your logo. So just click on add brand assets and upload the logo file if you have it on your computer. So I'm just going to search for my logo, and I think that's it. So I'm going to click on the file, click on open, and it's uploaded my logo. The next one I'm going to click on is colors, so you can set your brand color palette. So if you've been using Canva for a while, it will suggest a color palette for you, so you can see I can keep this palette or remove it, and then it's chosen colors for my logo. Do I want to keep these colors or remove them? If I don't like those, I can add new. So click on add new colors, and this is where you can grab the hex codes of your color palette and add these on, or you can just use the slider to find different colors, whatever they are. So that's it for the colors. After that, you'll want to add your own fonts. So you're probably using one or two different fonts in your brand. So you could add a font that you use the most for titles. You can choose different fonts that they have on Canva, or if the font you use isn't there, you can upload that font. So you can add in your usual sort of title size and change whether it's bolded or italic, and you can add in a font for your subtitles that you use the most, headings, section headings, body and quotes, different things like that. So if you do these things often, add your different fonts in. And the next thing, we can click on to brand voice. So if you have a particular brand voice that you reflects in your content, you can add this into your brand kit in Canva. So to do that, just click on add brand voice and write guidelines describing how to write in your brand voice. So this will help when you're creating content. It will help Canva suggest stuff to you. And the other things you can do is you can add photos that you may want to use in your brand and add graphics, icons and charts. So go ahead and do that and fill out as much of your brand kit as you can, and that will be available when you create designs in the future. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.